Hi! Ah, wais ba magpatayo ng bahay agad? Or how would you know if it's the right time to buy or build a house? Well, today I'm gonna discuss something na nasa perception ko or idea. Hashtag OFW friends. You're working like 5, 10, or even 20 years working abroad. A lot of them, a lot of us, were asking why, bakit di makauwi-uwi sa Pilipinas. And then I asked them, saan ba napupunta yung pinaghirapang pera, hard-earned money, working abroad? Ang sabi nila, usually, papadala sa Pilipinas. Patayo ng bahay, pambili ng kotse, but at the end of the day, hindi naman sila nakatira. Hindi rin sila nagmamaneho ng kotse. So, in that way, I'm gonna share you some tips and idea about this one. Meron tayong tinatawag na dalawang klase. Ang tawag dito is financial statement of the poor and financial statement of the rich. Paano daw naghihirap ang tao? Or, financial statement of the poor ang ginagawa niya. Right. It is a financial statement of the poor if you focus on having a big income, not building asset. Doon daw naghihirap ang tao. Kapag ang focus niya is mag-earn ng pera at single source of income ang meron siya. Or, ang tawag natin doon is active income. Ibig sabihin, kailangan natin magtrabaho. You have to work. You have to work every day for you to earn. Right? If you don't work, you won't have income. Ibig sabihin, kailangan natin magtrabaho. Pag hindi ka ng trabaho, wala ka ng income. Kaya, most of our OFW friends na natulungan natin dito, you know what? They realize na if they stop working, income stop. Ibig sabihin, pag wala na tayo sa abroad, wala na yung dating income. Kaya ang tendency, a lot of them, pag uwi sa Pilipinas, they get to have a life na kung ano yung life nila before. But, okay, meron silang magagandang bahay, magagarang kotse, kasi what they did is not business. What they did is employment. Guys, there's nothing against employment. It's okay, you are employed. But, I'm telling you this right now na you have to build asset. Ano yung asset? These are the money-making machine. Ito yung pag sinabing asset, ikaw ang nagmamayari. Pag mamayari mo, ito yung paghulugan mo ng pera, tutubo siya ng pera. So guys, it's okay na puro na lang tayo work. Kasi, yun, I know na negosyo naman talaga ang solusyon. Right? And one big thing is, after you work on how many years, like 5, 10, doing your business, no? Magre-rest ka na lang. At pag nagre-rest ka, nagpapahinga ka kapag asset ang binibuild mo, asset ang ginagawa mo, time will come. You're not working anymore. But money still comes in. Dapat meron kang exit plan. Dapat meron kang plans on how. When and how. How and when. Kailan ka magre-retire young, free, and rich. By the way, my name is Channel Juliano. I'm an aspirant entrepreneur. I use this blog to show you paano ba gawin yung business online gamit ang social media. And the last worth 1 million question is, would you like to be an OFW forever? See you to my next vlog.